There are many best stand mixers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best stand mixers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. Number 1. Sebri 3IN1 Electric Stand Mixer, 6.5 QD Bowl 660W 10-speed kitchen mixer. Household food mixers include dough hook, beater and whisk, bread cake mixer for baking and most home cooks, almond cream. The Sebri Stand Mixer is a versatile kitchen companion designed to simplify all your baking and cooking tasks. Powered by a high-performance DC motor, it effortlessly handles everything from light batters to heavy bread dough with consistent results. Featuring 10 adjustable speed settings plus a pulse function, it offers precise control for mixing, kneading, and whisking a variety of recipes, including cakes, cookies, pastries, muffins, waffles, and more. Its tilt-head design allows easy access to the bowl, making attachment changes and ingredient additions quick and convenient. Crafted with a food-grade stainless steel bowl and durable accessories, it ensures safe, hygienic food preparation while providing long-lasting performance. Benefits: saves time and effort. The powerful DC motor and 10-speed settings make mixing, kneading, and whisking quick and effortless, reducing manual work in the kitchen. Versatile for everyday baking. Perfect for preparing cakes, bread, cookies, pastries, muffins, waffles, whipped cream, and more with consistent, professional quality results. Number 2. KitchenAid Artisan Mini 3.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer, KSM 3316X, cast iron black. The KitchenAid Artisan Mini Tilt Head Stand Mixer combines powerful performance with a compact design, making it the perfect choice for kitchens with limited counter space. Despite its smaller size, it delivers exceptional mixing power for everyday baking and cooking tasks, easily handling bread dough, cookie batter, cake mixes, whipped cream, and more. With 10 variable speed settings, it provides precise control for gentle stirring, thorough mixing, and fast whipping to achieve consistent results every time. The durable tilt-head design allows easy access to the bowl for adding ingredients and changing attachments with ease. Capable of mixing up to 5 dozen cookies in a single batch, it is ideal for both small and family-sized recipes. Compatible with over 10 optional hub-powered attachments, this versatile mixer expands beyond baking to food grinding, pasta making, and more. Easy to operate, clean, and store, it's a reliable addition to any modern kitchen. Benefits: compact yet powerful. Delivers the same reliable mixing performance as larger stand mixers while saving valuable countertop space. Versatile kitchen helper. Compatible with optional hub-powered attachments, allowing you to prepare everything from pasta and ground meat to fresh sauces and more. Number 3. Vivahome Stand Mixer, 660W 10-speed 6-quart tilt-head kitchen electric food mixer with beater, dough hook. Create delicious homemade recipes with ease using the 660W stand mixer, designed for powerful and reliable performance. Its high-efficiency motor and 10-speed settings handle everything from kneading heavy bread dough to mixing cake batter and whipping cream with consistent, even results. The spacious 6QD stainless steel bowl is perfect for family-sized batches, while the planetary mixing action ensures every ingredient is thoroughly combined. A sturdy body with a suction cup base keeps the mixer stable during operation, and the quiet, pure copper motor delivers dependable performance with efficient heat dissipation for lasting durability. The tilt-head design, splash guard with pouring hole, and included egg yolk separator make baking more convenient and mess-free. Benefits: effortless large batch mixing. The powerful 660W motor and spacious 6QD bowl make it easy to prepare bread, cakes, cookies, and other recipes for the whole family. Stable and convenient design. The suction cup base, tilt-head design, splash guard, and dishwasher-safe attachments provide a smooth, mess-free, and easy-to-clean baking experience. Number 4. Nutri-Mill Artis Kitchen Electric Stand Mixer 500 with 6.5 quart bowl with dough hook and wire whips black trim. Mix, knead, and whip with confidence using this powerful 6.5 quart stand mixer, built to handle everyday baking and large family recipes. Its efficient bottom drive motor delivers strong, consistent performance, making it ideal for kneading up to 8 pounds of dough, mixing cake batter, and preparing cookies, bread, and more. The spacious stainless steel bowl provides ample capacity for large batches, while the included dough hook, wire whips, easy open bowl cover, and recipe book help you get started right away. Suction cup feet keep the mixer stable during heavy mixing, reducing movement on the countertop. Designed for easy operation and simple cleanup, this stand mixer combines dependable performance with practical convenience, making it a valuable addition to any home kitchen for both beginner and experienced bakers. Benefits: perfect for large batches. The 6.5-quart bowl and powerful bottom drive motor make it ideal for kneading up to 8 pounds of dough and preparing family-sized recipes with ease. Number 5. Hamilton Beach All-Metal 12-Speed Electric Stand Mixer, Tilt Head, for 0.5 quarts Pouring Shield Red. Make every baking session easier with a Hamilton Beach Eclectric Stand Mixer, designed to deliver reliable performance and consistent results. Powered by a robust 400-watt motor, it effortlessly handles mixing, whipping, and kneading for everything from cake batters and cookie dough to homemade bread. The planetary mixing action ensures ingredients are evenly incorporated, while 12 adjustable speed settings give you precise control for every recipe. Built with a durable die-cast metal body, this mixer combines classic style with long-lasting strength for everyday use. Its user-friendly design makes preparing homemade treats simple, whether you're an experienced baker or just getting started. Quiet operation, dependable performance, and versatile functionality make this stand mixer a practical addition to any kitchen and an excellent choice for everyday baking enthusiasts. Benefits: smooth and consistent mixing. Planetary mixing action and 12 speed settings ensure thorough blending, kneading, and whipping for reliable baking results. Durable everyday performance. The sturdy die-cast metal construction and powerful 400W motor provide long-lasting reliability for a wide range of recipes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or, if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.